In this video, I am going to make fried okra with onions, so let's make it. First of all, take a pan and add oil to the pan. After adding oil, add okra and fry it until it changes its color. Keep stirring in the oil when it turns golden. So then take it out on a plate and keep it aside. Then in the same pan, add onions and fry the onion until they become soft and translucent. When they become soft, so then add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder. So then mix it well until all spices are well combined. So then add tomatoes and green chilies. Then give it to a good mix. So cover and cook until onion becomes soft. And then add okra and mix it well so that all the spices are combined and the okra sticks well. And then cover and keep it on a low flame for 5 minutes and when until oil separates. So serve and enjoy with roti and a chapati. If you like my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.